Alright, we're gonna make ear hooks. So you need a pair of round nose pliers right here, a flush cutter right here, and we're gonna start. It's very simple. So if you get a fresh cut right here, you go pick a side, you turn like this. Once you turn like that, you see that hook right there? You hold it and twirl it just a little bit. Press to make sure it's snapped tight like that. And then on the bigger end right here, you just go down to the side, turn, 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 like this. You see how you got the ear hook right there? You cut it, and pretty much you're done, but I would get a cheap nail file to file right here so it's smooth. And if you want, you can also hammer this side to make it more flat. Right here goes your ear hooks. You see it? You see it? Ta-da!